finance, a la shmup. What is a blank check company? All right, well, when Russia was the big bad USSR in the Cold War of the 70s, there was a secrecy about everything that they did as they expanded their territory. Wait, that's a blank check company. A little different. All right, a blank check company. Yeah, you knew we were going to do that. Come on. Well, it's actually an investment vehicle that, in practice, well, isn't that far off the Russian flavor of things. Specifically, a blank check company isn't specific. See what we did there? Hence the word blank in there. Think of it as the operating version of a venture capital partnership or of a private equity growth capital company thing. Yeah, it's one of those. There's no specific game plan or structure other than to just go make money for shareholders. Well, the dough in this kind of investment vehicle is generally viewed as weaponry to acquire companies, usually speculative, dead, dying, or otherwise extremely cheap companies. Think penny stocks delisted from NASDAQ zombies, with the view that the operators of the blank check company can take over the company, run it better, improve profit margins, and regenerate growth. Well, one type of blank check company is called a SPAC. Stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Corporation, which might have a sole directive of rolling up or consolidating a niche industry. Like, yes, of course, the whoopee cushion industry, where there exists the Minkelmann family and the Snickerdoodle family. They're kind of the Coke and Pepsi of whoopee cushions. And if they merged, well, then they would have a virtual monopoly over whoopee cushions. They could raise prices and profit margins would soar with cheaper rubber supplies, and they'd go from being worth one whoopee to being worth several. Yeah, that'll put some wind in your cushion. That's a blank check company. Go buy stuff, raise prices.